fish.
So do you know what kind of fish you are going to make?
No.
Okay, this fish is called a pompano.
Pompano.
Yes.
A pompano?
You need to scrape it and clean it really good. I just want to show you the difference. This is a clean place and this one is not cleaned. So make sure you scrape it. That way, all the dirt will come right out. We need to slice our fish. So when you slice the fish, do like in a 45-degree angle, then slice it like this. Okay, so what is the ingredients you need for that?
We're gonna need 2 tablespoons of black pepper, handful of currant leaf, small piece of ginger, 4 garlic, 4 green chilies, I hate
quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt for taste, 1 whole lemon, small piece of onion.
We're gonna put all the ingredients and put in the blender and blend it. Can I pour this?
Yeah, put the black pepper.
Ooh, so good, guys. So good. Yeah, put that. Oh yes, yeah. You want me to help you?
Yeah.
5.
Thank you, Aisu.
And now it's my turn.
Can I help you, Aisu?
No, I'm okay.
Aisu, how are you gonna do that?
Ah!
Ridiculous.
Here we have our things, and it's full of our vegetables. As you see, all the
We have
vegetables are
some,
gone, and then they're in there. So we have to squeeze lemon and then blend it all up because my blender crazy.
So guys, please subscribe to my channel.
Please subscribe.
Now we are going to blend it. I'll be right back, okay?
Let's take a picture.
I already blended this one in the blender, so now you guys can see this is look like a really nice paste. Now we need to apply this to the fish.
Let's do it. Let's do this.
Hey, why we can't?
You can't because it's spicy. To apply it everywhere really good. You need to put some inside also.
Yummy.
Make sure all the spices goes in between the one we made. Alright guys, so our marination is done. Now you need to keep this one in the fridge at least 1 hour. If you guys can keep it for overnight, is always better. Now ready to put our fish in the air fryer. So I am going to brush some coconut oil. This is completely optional because it give you like a really good flavor. So that way it's get like a really crunchy. Alright, so you guys can see the difference, the color difference, because this one is like a really spicy one. And this one, I made it for the kids, so I didn't put like too much, green chili or the black pepper. Now we are just going to put it on our air fryer. Put on air fryer mode, 350 degree. I'm going to do 15 minutes one side. Now you need to set it for 10 minutes because the oven is already hot, so you don't want to put like a 15 minutes. So if you put like a 15 minute, maybe it may get burned. So what is this, Aisu and Maina?
That's a grilled fish.
You like grilled fish?
Yeah. It's a little bit spicy.
Yeah.
Holy!
Look at that.
That.
It's so juicy.
First I do. Eat it. Only a little bit.
The one I made for the kids, I didn't put no green chili, and the black pepper I used only 1 tablespoon. So the one we made it for ourselves, that one has like a more green chilies and black pepper. So this is like a really spicy. If you don't like really hot, and spicy, make sure when you add the black pepper and the green chili, use less. This is so good, guys. You should try it and let me know how good it is.
The grilled fish tastes good. I hope you guys like this recipe. Please subscribe to this video.
So how do you like the fish?
It was good.
Is it yummy? It's spicy for you guys though?
No.
No? Yeah, because Dada didn't put too much spicy on you guys. No, use your finger because when you use this, the bone will come up. So make sure you eat with the hand. Alright guys, so we are going to finish this fish. I hope you guys like this recipe. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Also share the video with your friends and family. Until I see you next time, stay blessed.
See you guys later. Bye bye.